Alright, look, I'm using somebody cutting the grass out here. I'm using this wire so it can hold my motor mount. While I do this, because I ain't got no helper today, let me fish this hook in there. There we go. Drop it in there. Tie the wire up somewhere up here. Okay, that seems good enough. Alright, so you is gonna need one of them little extension magnets and put your bolt sideways with it. See my bolt? Try to get it in there sideways first. Try to maneuver it in there. Okay, we got it in. Now we got to spin it around and see where it's at. There we go. Pull it up a little bit with your fingers. There you go. Alright, now get your lock washer. I use lock washers. That way you can kind of lock once it's a little bit tight. Grab your nut. Screw it on. Like so. How people say like so. To tighten them up, I'm finna leave them loose until I get all three of them on there. Then I'll tighten them up. Alright, now we're up under the car. Show you how to get that back one in there. See my bolt through that hole? You like that? Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're gonna get this one through the bottom of the lower control arm. All the way at the bottom. You see the one that's kind of shiny? That's where we're gonna put ours in. That's where the old one was. And this one, I'm gonna put the magnet straight. See there? We're gonna put the the bolt. We're gonna put the bolt straight. Oh, it's gonna be hard to maneuver it with using one hand and holding the phone. But you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, there. I got it in. Now what I'm gonna do is, because I ain't got nobody helping me, I'm gonna extend my magnet. I'm gonna extend it. That way it could kind of like kickstand off the ground. I'll put the phone down. See, look what I did here. Got my extension in there, holding the bolt, because ain't nobody helping me, because nobody wants to be my friend. And I got my extension kind of like kicked off the ground. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see, because I can't, but I'm going to try to put the phone back there. Can you see it? Oh, yeah, I can kind of see it. And that'll cover all three. No help needed. Well, the only help I need was my extension magnet and this wire that I got coiled up on my reservoir. Alright guys, just want to show you that I have my bolts tighter than a frog's butt. Let me show you the back one. The back one was a little bit hard. You probably can see it somewhere around there. You probably can, because I'm like shoving the phone way back there. But I got all three of them tight. To put the one in the back, to put that one on, the way I use my magnet, the same way you're going to use your extension and socket. So I use ratchet on top, wrench underneath the little hole for these two. And for the back one, I use the wrench on top and the ratchet underneath through the lower control arm. Alright, fellers. See you later.